Hello, welcome to Marielyn Correa's cooking channel, and I have got another lovely recipe for you. It's the green mango chutney. Green mango chutney with some masala into it. This is chopped green mango, raw mango. Okay. Now I will start the recipe. Light the gas, keep it on medium. After the pan becomes hot, you put in some oil. Oil is hot, put some gram dal, a little urid dal, seeds few, two teaspoons coriander seeds, jeera. Put in 5 to 6 red chilies and fry it well. Yes, put the gas off and let the masala cool down because it has to be ground with the mango. Okay, let it cool down. While grinding, I have to put some salt, a little turmeric. Now this masala has become cold, so put it into the grinder. I have to put in the mango pieces. Okay. Now these mango pieces won't fit into the grinder. I can grind it in 2 batches. Put some garlic cloves. No using water. You're not supposed to use water. See, no putting water. Understood? I've ground in 2 batches. Okay. Now this is the second part of the chutney. I have to prepare seasoning. Light the pan, same pan you can use, because I had used the pan to heat the pan. After the oil becomes hot, put in some mustard seeds. When it spurts, put in some cumin seeds. Curry leaves and 2 red chilies, and put little asafoetida. And if you wish, you can put in a pinch of sugar, but I am not going to put. Don't burn the seasoning, put it off, the vessel is hot. I put off the gas. Now let this seasoning become slightly cold. Pour the seasoning into the chutney. Mix it well. You can have with your steamed rice, chapati, bakri, whatever you want. Doesn't it look yummy? See the color, red masala, mango chutney. It's a raw mango, okay? My dear viewers, please enjoy the chutney that I made. You prepare at home, put in your comments, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.